It's your boy Codehova from Fly Combinator. We pimpin' Swift. This is the last video of section 1. We're going to be talking about arithmetic shorthand. So, as you see here, we have a variable, which is a value that could change, right? We have our wallet, which has $1,000. And after these sales, we're going to add that to our wallet. So, after sale 1, let me uncomment these, right? And why are these constant? Why did I say that sale 1 is constant? Well, I said it's a constant because once you make the sale, you got the money. Product was exchanged. You're not going to somehow be able to go into the past and change that number to a bigger amount beneficial for you, or the person, your custody, ain't going to somehow be able to take that money out your hand and just give you $90 instead of 100, right? That's why it's a constant. Because once it's done, it's done. It's never going to change. So what we see here in line 7 is like I declared a new value, constant, of let, right? And sale 1, I mean. Alright, my bad. But anyways, so every time I make a sale, I'm going to have to write wallet equals wallet plus 100, right? This one is going to be wallet, sale 1. And then this is going to be wallet plus sale 2. And this one is going to be wallet equals wallet plus sale 3. Now that's just killer, man. So if I type in wallet here, we're going to know that this wallet is going to be 3780, right? I don't know why it's not updating. But anyways, we know that the wallet is 3780. This is painful to write, man. Wallet equals wallet plus sale. Wallet equals wallet plus sale. That's why we have something called the arithmetic shorthand. And how that goes is you do the assignment, the additional arithmetic operator first, and then we follow it with the equal sign. And what this does is it does code in the back where it's saying that wallet is equal to wallet plus whatever you put after it. So all this could be changed, right? So it's the same, but you typed a whole bunch less. You typed a whole lot less. And after you begin to write this, you're going to know to yourself, oh, we're just going to add this value of sale 2 into the wallet. That's all we're doing. That's how it works. And you could do that with every single arithmetic operator. So if we have these as expenses, are we going to write, again, wallet equals wallet, all that? Nah, man, we don't got time for that. So all we got to do is wallet minus equals utilities. And then this is going to be wallet equals minus studio equipment. And then this is going to be wallet minus equals styrofoam cups. Okay? And then we could do crazier shit. It's just like wallet multiply equal 2. So it's going to become 3040. I don't know why it's bugging though. Right? Yeah, there you go. That's how it works, man. And then we could do wallet divide equals 15. So that is arithmetic shorthand. Congratulations, you finished the first section. Let's go on to I'm gonna create these worksheet type of things that after you finish these videos, you're gonna be able to test the skills that you just learned. Also, you're gonna, you have to practice. You have to make mistakes. You have to learn exactly what you're doing. But you did a good job getting this far. And man, we learning Swift, yo. Let's get it.